Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738 481382, and today we have a 2007 Hyundai Santa Fe Elite 7-seater. Stock reference number 3920. The shade runs from the 11th month 2005 through to the 6th month 2012. There's a D4EB 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. D4EB 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one dent, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got an average bumper cover. It does have a few scuffs here and there. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom with the neck. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather with red piping. Black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, top glove box, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass and mirror, sunroof type as well, left sun visor, extension and light type, as is the right sun visor, instrument cluster, and full spoke leather steering wheel in black with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.